Headed to the airport now.
So today I'm gonna do a throwback video of me doing my makeup on the plane to Vegas. So right now I'm about to do my brows. So I decided to do my makeup on the plane because once I landed, I was headed straight up to meet my friends for a club event. And I was also there because Drake and the Migos were performing. So this is like back in 2018. What's so crazy is that all my makeup ended up falling on the floor and this guy next to me ended up picking it up for me. He was such a sweet angel baby. So now I am putting on my foundation. The eyebrows are carved out. What's crazy is that I don't even like do my makeup like this anymore. So it's just interesting seeing myself do this and even like on the plane doing it too.
Thank you.
So right now I have my eyeshadow on. I'm about to add eyeliner. So right now I put on all my contour, got my eyeshadow together, got my eyeliner on, and now I'm using my beauty blender to blend it all out. I need to start using a beauty blender again. I don't even use a beauty blender anymore. I liked those. I don't even contour like that anymore. It is crazy like watching this back. It's just so different. But I still look good either way. So now I am going to put on my highlight. I missed that Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. That was some good highlight. I don't even highlight like that anymore. I have a specific like highlight brush now too. My lips are lipping. Do you see how cute my lips look? Woo! It's that melanin, baby. Now I'm putting on my lip gloss on top of my lipstick. I don't even do my lipstick like this anymore. I now line my lips before I even throw some lipstick on. But yes, this is a lipstick lip gloss moment for y'all. And now my look is complete. You can see the strip from my window. It looks so cool.
So I made it to Vegas and they're already trying to take people's money.